How to change username in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from GamersTech. Today I am going to guide you how to change username in Blockman Go. Changing username in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game. Launch Blockman Go on your mobile device. Access profile setting. Tap on your profile or avatar usually located at the bottom right corner of the main menu. Edit nickname. Look for an option to edit your nickname on your profile information. Tap on your current name and type in the new one. Save changes. Confirm or save the new username. Follow rules. Ensure the nickname complies with Blockman Go's guidelines. For example, no offensive language. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change username in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.